Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build AI agent with Base44. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually just come to Base44, open up the app that you want to build an AI agent for, and then just come here, click on dashboard, right? Then you'll see a bunch of settings. From here, click on agents, and it should be toggled on. As you can see, it is actually enabled. And to add your first agent, you basically come here in chat, okay? You ask the chat to create an agent for you. Just describe what role the agent should have and the task it should perform. So we'll tell it to create an agent which will be an accountant, okay? And then tell it what tasks as well. So let's go ahead and enter that for now. So right now it is thinking, right? Base44 is thinking and working on creating an agent. It's planning the next steps, and when it does need something from you, right, more information, it will actually ask you. So it's a natural language model. So the more information you give it, the better the output will be. But now it is going to go ahead and work and create our AI agent for us. So let's wait and let it do its thinking, the editing process, and then it will come up with an AI agent for us. And there you go, it is done. As you can see, it's created an AI accountant agent that will manage transactions, analyze finances, things like this. So you come here to dashboard. If you come here to agents, you'll see right here, we have the agent. You can edit the agent. You can start chat with the agent right here and use it. Okay, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.